Hello everyone, I'm back for Usapan Trabaho numero 34. Samahan nyo kami, we are conducting the high-rise building fire sprinkler tank inspection. Before many years ago, when we do inspection for the high-rise building like this, we're using the divers. Because safety is our priority, this time we will not use a divers. Now we're using a water drone. We put the water drone inside the tank and we will watch it through the phone monitoring. Let's go guys, watch and learn.
Okay. It's a maiden voyage.
Okay, ayan na. Nasa water tank na yung drone natin. I-operate na lang natin yan through the controller. Siya nga pala, ang tubig na to, ito yung kung may emergency fire, ito yung tubig na lumalabas sa fire sprinkler head sa inyong kalaman. At dahil bago nga ang drone na ito, we start figure out muna. Hindi pa namin napatakbo. Kaya this time we're reading the manual. He's reading the manuals namin. I just watching on him. I think we're ready. So, handa na ba kayo? Let's go. Tingnan natin kung umilaw na nga ba. Ayan. Napa-under na nga. May ilaw na yung drone natin. So, yung drone na ito, para sa kalaman na rin, ang drone na to ay sumisisid, snorkeling. Bababa yan, papunta sa pinakamailalim with the lights, and that was controlled by the cell phone controller. And then, habang tumatakbo yan, nakakakuha kami ng video, picture sa ilalim ko anong itsura. Why we need to inspect the water into the cistern. Kasi para maiwasan natin na mayroong obstruction materials or na mga lumulutang dyan na pag umandar ang pump, the gigantic pump, kasi meron tayong dalawang pump dyan na once tumatakbo yun, and then yung propeller niya, kung meron silang mga obstruction bagay na makaharang sa propeller, masisira ang fan. So delikado din kung in case may emergency. Kaya every 5 years ito yung ginagawa. This is a mandatory for safety of the building. At yung drone na yan, kung nakikita nyo, yung tali, that's a cord. That cord is connecting into the controller. Pwede rin kasi siyang makontrol through your Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. But this time, I told him that don't use Wi-Fi or Bluetooth in case sumabit yung drone na yan, mahatak namin pagawin. As for safety also. At hindi nyo naman maitanong how much the price for the drone. That drone is cost $5,300. I hope that you like this video at sana nakapagbigay ako ng kunting kaalaman para sa inyong lahat. If you like the video, hit like, subscribe, and follow na rin para sa sunod nating video sa Usapang Trabaho.